Hey everyone and welcome back to Haven TCG and Gaming. My name is Div and we are on the road to our grand finals for our Demon Slayer tournament. Last round we got our first finalist where Nezuko and Tanjiro beat out Daki and Gyotaro to be our first grand finalist. Before we decide who faces them, we have a couple of matchups to go through. For this one, we have Rengoku piloted by me versus Muzan piloted by Wilfred / AEttir. Let's go!
Half cut.
Half cut is good for me. What about yourself?
I would like a try.
A try cut. What does that mean?
Half cut.
One. All right. Yeah, that's
I've never heard someone say try cut before.
high roll.
Yes, I will. Where's my mind? 8. Wow.
Okay.
Tie.
3.
Four.
Oh, sorry.
4.
Well,
4.
damn it.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Tie
One
again.
more
If it's a
time.
tie, we're buying a lottery now.
Okay, 8. Fuck off.
8.
Oh shit.
Okay, one more time.
There's
7.
no way.
5. Okay.
Okay.
That was the second. Actually,
Okay,
no.
I'll go first.
We'll try it out.
Before we start,
Yes, sir.
I saw you noticing my AP. Would you like to know where you can get them
I did not
from?
notice your AP. I wasn't looking at that at all.
Oh, I think
I don't know what you're talking about.
I think you should notice them.
Oh, damn. Are those AP?
They're AP. They're unsanctioned AP, and you can only find them in the Haven Discord.
Nice.
Yeah, they're on sale soon.
Alright, I'm tapping one and playing a lower four.
Is enough against
It's shilling, I'll tap.
Draw for turn.
Pass.
We will play. Ah, this is how it feels to play on turn 1.
Oh my god.
And Zenitsu. What's in?
Put one AP over, draw a card. Guess we're playing more defensive today. Muzan, boy form. And then I will play Muzan, Michael Jackson form.
I feel like this is like the first time I've ever seen Wilfred not put something in the
I
front.
know.
No.
And I will pass.
Draw for turn. Push up Leonoski.
Okay.
I will play Timoko in the back. And I will play Tanjiro in the back. This Tanjiro's effect is every turn, whenever it's active, I can switch to resting to give one of my other characters 1000 BP.
Sounds good.
And I will swing
Left,
from the
right.
bigger pile top.
Oh, final.
Oh, that's a fine.
And I will restand my AP, draw a card. Okay. We'll move my lower 4 up. Muzan in the front. Asia form. At my boy form to give me an extra energy. I will use
More energy.
Geisha Form's ability. I'll throw away my lower 4. Draw a card.
Oh no, discard first.
Group discard. Draw a card.
Then
Oh, even better.
so 4 energy,
I will
2 AP.
play Muzan back here.
Oh. Yay.
Then I will play Enmu in the back. You draw a card. Then something got sidelined, we'll draw a card. Then I'll pass. Go into attack phase, this goes to the garbage, and pass.
Draw for turn. We will we will tap to draw. Okay.
Taking.
And we will play Inoko in the front.
3K
We'll actually play
is-
the Inoko in the back.
He stepped it back.
I mean, raid time.
Maybe. I mean, I guess it wouldn't matter.
And
Oh no, it does. Yeah, he gets 5.
Yeah.
we
You could
will
potentially
play-
tap the Tanjiro, give it to.
Oh, maybe not.
Okay, never mind.
we'll play Rengoku in the front. And then we will pass.
Swing, block 3K. Okay, understandable. I will draw for turn.
Gotta save that Rengoku for whenever Muzan shows
Being
up.
a choice.
Need all the impact negates.
Oh, and draw a card. Okay, understand. I understand now. I will tap the play out my special card. Lower your head
Wow.
and crouch down, prostrate yourself. I'll delete my Muzan in Michael Jackson form to
Mhm.
delete your Rengoku,
Damn, the double generator.
and then I can draw a card. Delete your Rengoku.
Yeah.
Rengoku deleted. Yes. Understood. Okay, cool.
when sideline he activates his effect.
Yeah,
No.
I'll give it 1k. Yeah, you can do the Rui.
But I will play
Re-energy.
here.
The geisha form.
Geisha form. And then full raid.
Mm-hmm.
When play, draw 2, discard 1. Ooh. Well, this is nothing for me anymore.
Hero. I mean, double generator.
Yeah, but I got
You got more.
Michael Jackson out here. Let's see here. I will swing. Wait, yeah, I discard 1. Swing 3K.
Take.
The middle one.
Add to that.
And then I will swing 4K.
Take.
The bottom one.
Active.
Aw, damn.
Okay. Draw. A turn.
Like the worst feeling when it activates the
Okay.
last hit.
I know. We will push Inoko up.
Wow.
We will tap 2 to play Zenitsu here. This one's effect is add up to 1 character other than Zenitsu from your sideline to your hand. So I'll take the
Any
Rengoku.
character? Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, any character other than Zenitsu.
Cool.
So I'll take that to my hand. I will concentration breathing to restand. I will place that Rengoku that I just picked up front. And for my last one, I will raid this Zenitsu
Ooh.
up front. So if Tanjiro is on your field, which he is, it gains double damage. And when played, if Inosuke is on the field, which I have 2 of, draw 2, crash 1. So I will draw 1, 2. I will trash this Inosuke. Let's adjust this. Then before going into battle phase, I will he's not 4,000 or 45.
I only have 7, so it's 4,000.
Okay. So I'll rest this to make this an okay or
Okay.
4k. So we'll first go 4k double.
Okay, double. I will block this one.
Okay. And then we'll go 4k.
I'll take.
Yeah. The top one of the one closest to you.
Ooh,
Yeah, that one.
Draw card.
And then
I will
15.
Block 4K.
Okay. Your turn. sir.
Draw for turn.
Good turn,
Oh
good
my
turn.
lord, what is this?
Zenitsu's gonna be annoying.
I'll play this. I'll play the lower
Not if he
three,
makes me crouch down and prostrate myself.
and then I will purge my lower three.
Okay.
So I bring one AP back up, draw 2 cards, 1, 2, then draw a third card from lower three.
Yeah, man. You're just so good.
Big Muzan's blood.
10 cards. Oh my god. 11.
12.
12?
Yes, cards.
Okay. He's got a bouquet of
Yes, I
cards
do.
right next. Meanwhile, I'm here with like 3 cards.
Play a lower 6, and then I will prostrate. That Zenitsu is. Oh yeah, it's always double damage, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, as long as I have
Tanjiro.
Tanjiro.
Okay, I'll get rid of the rated one. So I draw a card from prostrate, and then draw 1 discard from lower 6. Oh my goodness, why?
Are you at 15 now?
I will be once I put this
5, 10.
away.
Oh, okay. Oh, jeez. This is where the fun begins.
I'm gonna discard an Envo.
Oh, rated
Okay.
Enmu. Okay. Yeah, you're at 15
4,
now.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5.
15.
This is an interesting conundrum.
Can you survive until 20 is the thing.
Yes. It will all depend on the next card I draw.
Oh, damn, okay.
Play Tioni in the front. I'm going to activate Geisha form. I'll pop Tioni.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
And move it
I
up.
will
Discard top card.
Oh, okay.
Oh, the
Then I'll
special.
move it up.
Yeah.
And then it gains 1000. So I will swing 4k.
Take.
I'll take the second from the top.
This is a special. It's going to be huge.
Active.
Well,
Well, that works
Yeah.
too.
So we'll active the
I'll
removal.
swing 4-5.
Block for the 7k.
Now pass.
Alright.
Okay. Draw for turn.
Alright. Dave needs to put the gas on.
3 cards.
We will.
Cannot give Wilfred any breathing room.
Okay, we will tap to
Mhm.
play Zenitsu in the front.
Oh wow. Okay, this
Take a card other than Zenitsu back to your hand. I will take the
Rengoku.
back again.
If only.
and then-
I don't know if it's a spoiler, but
Yeah, I know.
if you know,
And
you know. If only.
for the
Here we
la-
go again.
for the last one, I will raid the Sanosuke.
Okay.
If I have Tanjiro, gains impact, and when played, if I have Zenitsu, I can turn a character active. So I'll active this
Nice.
character.
Interesting.
Okay, let's see. We will go.
Whoa, wait. Do you want to use Tanjiro's effect at all? With both the
Let me
buffs?
see. Yeah, probably. We will tap to make this a 4K. So we'll swing 4K, no impact first.
I'll block 40. Wait. Oh yeah, it doesn't matter. I'll
That
block
one has-
45.
Okay. We'll go 4K Rengoku.
Okay, Rengoku. Which one?
Bottom.
Bottom of which one?
That one bottom.
This one?
Yeah. That one, yeah. Yeah.
Nothing.
Okay, we'll go 35.
35. Left, right.
The one that's alone.
Oh, one it's a lot.
9. Okay.
9.
One
okay.
more away.
Impact
Well, this will be 20.
Yeah. closes. The bottom.
Lower 4. 20.
At 20.
Okay. Your go, sir.
What draw for turn? Yay.
There's another cool thing about with the Nosuke, like you could have tapped Tanjiro and then raid the Nosuke to reactive the Tanjiro that
Give it
spends
two.
to give extra energy and do it again.
Oh, true.
I will tap to draw.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll play a Muzan's Blood.
Oh, no moving yet.
No.
Oh, see that Tioni?
Play a Tioni.
Yep.
Wait.
Rested.
Oh, yeah.
I mean,
I-
I'm sure he's gonna die.
I'll play another Tioni.
Oh
Oh
shit.
my god.
Play a Muzan in the front.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, do I
Wait,
want to
patient.
do it?
It's risky.
It is risky.
You're gonna be at 2 energy for a while.
I'm gonna be at 1 energy.
Oh yeah, you're right. You're gonna be at 1
Oh,
energy
sorry,
for a
let's
while.
go back up. We're risking it.
Yeah.
I'll pop.
Oh my god.
That's the thing. Here's the front. That's
Weird.
4K.
Yikes.
I will swing 45.
I will. No way am I taking that. I'm blocking 35.
Good. I'll swing.
Oh wait. I'm blocking 4K and making.
Whoa, wait. No, hold on.
The outside assistance.
Think this through.
This is crazy outside assistance. That's nutty.
One sec. No. Let me play. I know what's in my hand. That's why. Let me play. It's fine.
Okay.
I will block this, and I will make the Inosuke of
Alright,
5K.
we'll swing double damage. Impact 2, 5K.
Take.
The middle 2.
What the heck is going on?
I know I could have nullified it, but Inosuke raid.
Don't have an.
No, you
You
don't.
have, oh, you have 4 energy. Yeah.
I do. I will keep it in hand,
And then I'll play 4K.
and then nothing. I will take it.
The top one.
Wait, your dude's fine.
Oh yeah. It's fine. I took it now. It's
Then I'll-
fine. I will raid this.
It's 5 energy.
And then, yeah, I have 5. 1, 2, 3.
Oh,
Oh,
you have
no, I
4.
don't. Okay, I'll
Then
take
I
it
will
to your
pass.
hand. Oh, I forgot these.
Two
my
specials
God,
in
dude,
hand.
what do you... It better be.
Or at least 3.
It's
This says
fine.
play with fire.
Draw for turn. Yeah, it is.
Yup.
Okay. First of all, we're going to
Special Muzan.
pay 1 to special the Muzan, one of the Muzans. Play another 1 to special the other
Okay.
Muzan.
Okay.
Concentration breathing to restand. Play Rengoku here. And then I will Inosuke raid to
Right.
this Rengoku.
Yep. You have a Tanjiro. Sorry, Tanjiro
yes.
and Zenitsu out.
Yep. I will, just so both my impacts go through, I will rest this to make this a 5k impact. So we'll go 5k impact.
2.
Yeah,
That's
that
all?
one's fine. That one's fine.
Oh, color trigger.
Oof.
Faster left.
Yeah. Well, actually, you know what? Hold on. Will that save me? I don't know.
I don't think you can have 0 energy next turn if you do that.
That's true. And I can't get it through anything.
Yeah.
4k impact.
I'll block with 45.
Okay. 4k.
Block with lower 4. Draw a card.
35.
I'll block.
Oh my.
Yeah, let's see.
That was
What the heck I
so
can do.
bold.
Oh, nope. I'll tap to draw. Okay. I'll play lower 6. And swing 45.
Oh,
I will block 35.
Sounds good. And then I'll pass.
damn.
Draw
Oh
for
my
turn.
gosh.
Play Sumiko in the bag. Raid the Zenitsu.
Okay, okay.
Draw 2. Trash 1. Play Nezuko. Finally got her in the back.
The whole team's
Rest.
here.
Impact 5k.
Yeah, I'll just take this one. No final.
GG.